head. Since I am not Jewish yet, I mean, I have not converted yet. I only put a kippah on only when I'm studying or only when I'm praying or the like. Like, I don't carry it on with me all the time. And sometimes I just forget where I leave it. Like, I gotta lose it sometime. I don't know what it is. And of course I cannot like pray or study or do anything like it without covering my head. So is it like an alternative to cover my head besides the kippah? Like for example, I don't know, putting on a hoodie or like a beanie or something like that I can use instead?
So that's a good question. So the thing is to cover your head, period, with something. If it's your hoodie, it's covering your head. Even we had one group in a place where I used to work, and one guy did not wear kippah on a daily basis. So sometimes it was in his pocket, sometimes not. Sometimes he would put a napkin like on his head, whatever covering. So baseball hat, any kippah is just was added like a minimum for convenience. You understand? So that's it. Especially with non-Jews. So when you come to this, some places they would like, especially Christian, they would require you to remove the hat. Right? For example, in a court, you go to the civil court. They absolutely everybody must remove their hat, except the Jews. Jews do not remove their hats. I mean, they would ask you to remove the hat if you wear the hat, but kippah they allow you to have. They're not required to remove the kippah. They understand that's the advantage of the kippah. But a person Jew cannot say blessings without head covering, and cannot study Torah and other things, and you cannot pray. But in case of the need, so technically your clothing can be the head covering. So meaning the hoodie is a simple example, but you can even use your sleeve from your shirt, from your jacket, so you can put like on your head, and it's also considered the head covering. Right? So I mean not the hand itself, but the sleeve, because sleeve it's a foreign matter to you. Your hand is a part of you. You cannot cover yourself with a part of you, but with sleeve there is no problem. So however, that like this guy was covering his head with napkins. Again, I mean, I was very annoyed. I started keeping bringing kippah for him. After we stopped studying, I would take the kippah back, because that's how I lost fewer kippahs. He would take and never return. So I said, okay, you know what? I apologize. Give me kippah back. Put it in my pocket, and I see you tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm going to bring you kippah. No problem. Okay. So any head covering would suffice. Anything, whatever works, whatever person prefers.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.